nagka-comment, ma'am, ano pong ilalagay pag mag-request ng bank certificate kay SeaBank? Well, syempre, depende kung ano yung purpose mo, yun ang ilalagay mo. Pero dito sa SeaBank app, meron kasing choices yan. And for today's video, mag-request din tayo ng bank certificate. Kasi first time ko rin mag-request ng bank certificate. From your SeaBank app, open mo lang yon, and then punta ka dito sa Me. Ayun, pag nandito ka na sa Me, bank documents, and then merong choices yan, e-statement or bank certificate. Yung e-statement kasi yan yung mga for the month na transaction, depende kung kakailanganin mo yan. Dun, since kailangan natin is bank certificate, pupunta tayo kay bank certificate. Ayun, and then, dahil nga sa bank certificate, isang beses ka lang makakapag-request per day. So, punta lang tayo dito sa new bank certificate. Ayun, and then, purpose. Ayan, yung purpose kasi could be visa, business requirement, loan application, or others. For example, na lang, for the purpose of this video is visa ang gusto kong purpose. Manifesting, visa. And then type of account balance. Okay, may choices ka dyan. It's either current account balance or yung current account balance is as of end of day yesterday, or if you want the average daily balance ng past 30 days ADB, past 90 days ADB, and then past 180 days ADB or year-to-date ADB. Depende kung ano yung kailangan mo. For example, for this video, I will choose past 90 days. And then, confirm ko lang yan. And then, kailangan natin ilagay yung recipient address. So, ilalagay ko lang muna yung address ko. Nailagay ko na yung mga details ng information ko dito sa recipient address. Ipakita ko na lang na i-confirm ko na siya. So, kailangan ko lang takpan yung mga information for my privacy na rin. Confirm lang natin yan. Ayan, ang lumabas is new bank certificate. So, para mo rin siyang i-review. And then, in-next mo lang siya. In-next ko na lang. Pakita ko in-next ko. And then, sabi niya, review bank certificate. So, review nating mabuti. So, confirm and generate natin siya. Ayan, confirm and generate. Ayan, confirm and generate, napindot natin. At ito na nga yung bank certificate. Pwede mo rin siyang i-transfer or i-send sa yung Messenger or your Gmail. Pwede rin, send mo rin siya. And then, you can print it naman. Talagang digital na talaga tayo. Ayan, just in case wala ka pang SeaBank, you can open SeaBank via App Store, Play Store, and use my referral code March26 para magkaroon ka ng referral reward of 75 pesos higher than a regular SeaBank referral code. Dahil nga meron tayong collaboration or partnership kay SeaBank, kaya mas mataas yung referral code natin na reward. Make sure to deposit 1,000 pesos and hold it for 3 days para makapasok yung referral reward. I hope this video helps you. Follow for more.